Welcome inside a factory where cricket bats are carefully crafted from natural wood. Most cricket bats are made from high-quality willow wood. Workers carefully select the best wood to ensure strength and durability.
Large blocks of wood are cut into the basic shape of a bat.
Special machines help shape the bat with precision. Skilled craftsmen refine the shape of each bat.
We use a draw knife to get the initial shape.
Then a spoke shave for the final curves. Each tool refines the willow for optimal performance. The blade is shaped carefully to improve power and balance. The bat is pressed to make the wood stronger. The surface is sanded to make it smooth and clean. Polishing gives the bat its professional appearance. Strong handles are attached to provide control and flexibility. Rubber grips are added for better grip during play. The handle ensures comfort and stability for the player. Protective layers are applied to improve durability. Brand logos and designs are added to the bat. Each bat is inspected to ensure high quality.
Grain looks good, no imperfections. Finish is even, ready for shipping.
The bat is knocked in to prepare it for gameplay. Finished bats are prepared for packaging. Each bat is placed into protective packaging. Hundreds of bats are stored before shipping.
Bats are packed for delivery to stores. This carton is ready for the next batch.
Trucks are loaded with cricket bats ready for shipment. These bats will soon reach players around the world. And that is how a cricket bat is made, from raw wood to the final product.